my channel. This is very late video, but here it is. This is my December empties for 2019. I didn't want to just not do this video because, well, I was keeping track of how much I used up in the year like 2019. My goal was to use up $2,000. I actually exceeded my goal by $1,000. I did go over the $3,000 mark, and I just want to go ahead and share with you what I used up for the month of December. The video after this one should be my year-long makeup empties. I know these have been popping up like for a couple weeks, and I'm really late to the game, but it is what it is. Life happened, and I'm here. So here we are. If you're curious of what I finished up in the month of December, what I thought of some products, please keep on watching. If new here, I hope you do subscribe. And there's my alarm for my vitamins. I do hope that you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it while you're watching it. And let's get into it real quick. I'm gonna try to be quick. Sheet masks, or masks in general, I did finish a couple actually. There's quite a few samples in here. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Some products were in my hashtag 365 days of samples, and some products I just wanted to get some more use out of, or for masks. I was trying to do a December mask challenge. Then I got sick in December, halfway through December, and just didn't be a full December challenge, but it is okay. The first sheet mask I finished up is the Totally Terrific, this face sheet mask, and this is by Bath and Body Works. I don't remember what I thought of it. It's been over a month since I used it. Must not have been that amazing, otherwise I would have remembered. This is Sephora The Golden Mask. Again, this is something I don't remember what I thought of. I had two of I had this gold one and the silver one in one of my projects. So there you go. I finished that guy. I finished up an under eye mask, and this is the South Main under eye gels. It was like a pack of 3. I only managed to use one of them. It was kind of nice. I put it in the fridge before using it. It's just soothing. I don't think that it did anything, and you had to leave it on for 30 minutes, which was kind of like, I got antsy. Like, come on, I want to take it off. And more masks. I finally managed to finish this Peter Thomas Roth, the 24 karat gold mask. I didn't notice anything different with this guy. Like, my skin wasn't like, wow, you know? I would watch it and be like, okay, my skin looks brighter, but it's not like something that lasted. It was just kind of like, okay, it's brighter and then gone, you know? I wouldn't buy a full size of this guy, to be honest. I do have a couple of these jars left, not this specific one, but like the Peter Thomas Roth ones. I do have a couple of these, and I would like to be done with them. I don't know. I don't know. This is probably the one that was most underwhelming. I really like the cucumber one. I want to say cucumber one. That one lives in the fridge, and it's very soothing and cooling to put it on. But this one, it was kind of like, okay, whatever. Some samples. I finished the Chanel Hydra Beauty Micro Serum. I had used a full size of this guy. I actually do like this thing. It's a little overpriced. I feel like kind of any what's the word? Hyaluronic acid. Kind of like any hyaluronic acid would do the same thing. I don't know exactly what this guy is. Well, the first ingredient is water. Anyway, it wasn't that impressive. It's not something that I would buy again, but I used it. I used up the Glam Glow Galactic Cleanse Melting Jelly Balm Cleanser. I don't think this was very cleansing. I remembered that I had a really hard time removing my eye makeup with it. I don't know if it was supposed to be used on the eyes or not. Yeah, I had a hard time with that one. It wasn't that cleansing. I finished the La Prairie Skin Caviar Luxe Eye Cream. This was amazing. Like, amazing. I finished it, and then I texted my friend. I was like, I think I want to buy the full size. And I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. It's way too expensive, because I think this one little tiny sample, I looked it up. I did the math for it. Let me see. How much did this little tiny sample cost? This guy, it was in my hashtag 365 days of samples, and it cost $17. That is ridiculous. So yeah, no, I'm not buying the full size of this guy, but I did really like it. I finished this, ooh, wait, I don't know, treatment mask, like a hair mask. I thought this was pretty nice. I think the smell was really nice as well, but it's been a long time since I used this stuff up. It's a 10 Miracle Daily Conditioner. I like the It's a 10 products. I really like their leave-in like conditioner, like spray. This was okay. I need usually more than these for all of my hair, because so I use it and then I use another conditioner. Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. This was okay. It was decent. I like the fact that it absorbed really nicely, but it wasn't like super hydrating for under the eye. If you have a really dry under eye, you need something a little bit more than that. Let's talk about a couple more products that also were in my hashtag 365 days of samples. Actually, 2 more. And I told you, like, if you watch my hashtag 365 days of samples, I'd mentioned that these, I got samples from Le Prairie. One is the anti-aging night and one is the anti-aging day. She put them in a Clinique container, but I used both of these up. They were amazing. But again, something that was really expensive. Not that I don't have it in my budget right now to purchase something like that. I finished up the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. I remember this was really nice actually. I used it day and night. It was a little heavy in the daytime, but at nighttime it was really nice. I enjoyed it. It was really good. I would consider buying that. I finished a couple like bath bombs, bath fizzies. It was my son who finished them. Yeah, I couldn't keep all of them. I think I threw away like 4 or 5 other ones, but the ones that I remembered to keep I kept. He loves those things. I made a mistake of introducing him to them, but it's okay. Could be other stuff. This was in my 19 and 2019, the Victoria's Secret Dream Angels Heavenly Angel Luxe Cream Oil. It was nice. It did have a little bit of glow, and I do have one more in my collection that I'm working on in my project pan for 2020. Bliss Lemon and Soap. Lemon and Sage Soapy Suds Bath Wash and Bubble Bath. This was kind of like a very subtle scent. I was expecting more lemony, kind of like, you know, that refreshing lemony smell, but no, it was very subtle. It wasn't super, like it didn't create a lot of bubbles. It was okay. I traveled with this guy. This is probably a container that I'll keep to like use for other shower gels, because I think I might have used all my little minis, and that's great, but sometimes I travel and I have to take some of them, so I might keep that bottle to just fill it up. Herbal Essences Naked Volume Shampoo. I think they don't even make this guy, or maybe they changed the packaging. I had this for so long, but I try not to use products like this because they strip the color of my hair, so I use them only the times where I feel like, okay, my scalp needs like a deep cleaning. It did strip the colors of my hair, even though it says paraben silicone, 0% paraben and silicone and colorant. I don't know. I felt like it still stripped my hair. I got the usual toothpaste, Colgate Optic White Plenum. I love this stuff. I got a nail polish remover. This is by CVS. It actually sucked, especially the days that I had like a glitter or a shimmery nail polish on. Oh my god, it was a nightmare to remove. I will not repurchase. The usual contact lens solutions. I did finish a dry shampoo, and this is by Emika per cup. This was kind of cooling. I remember it was like, it left a cooling feeling. I did really enjoy it. I don't usually buy dry shampoo, so I probably will not be buying it. Let's see, I got a couple perfumes. I have perfumes like roller perfumes. These are both by Victoria's Secret. One is Heavenly and one is Angel Gold. I enjoyed both of them. Just the smell doesn't last too long. I prefer like other perfumes other than the Victoria's Secret ones. Is the rest all makeup? Oh no, I do have one more hair and one more mask. Redken 25 Benefits, like the one United. And this I did really like as well. It reminded me a little bit of the It's a 10, like the spray stuff, the leave-in spray stuff. And then I finished up the Tatcha Violet Sea Radiance Mask. This was really nice. I found that it was more, like my skin was more radiant using this than using the 24 karat one by Peter Thomas Roth. And then the rest is makeup. I do have one declutter, which is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Katsu, and this is like the metallic one. The shade is Shall We Slay. This is a declutter. And then Makeup Empties. I finished I finished a Smashbox primer water. I love this stuff. I do have multiples of it in like the full size. This was a limited edition, like a holiday one. Holiday packaging. I also finished up this Tarte Stay Spray setting spray. This was decent. It wasn't like, I didn't feel like it absolutely prolonged the wear of my makeup. It wasn't like bulletproof after using this, but it was decent. I finished that guy up. I finished up the little a primer. This is by Touch in Sol No Pore Blend Priming Water. This stuff I really enjoyed actually. It was weird. It was kind of like oily, watery kind of thing, but it felt like it gripped the makeup really nicely. I did really enjoy it. I finished this guy, which is the IT Cosmetics Je ne sais quoi. This was in 2019, so if you watched that update, you would have seen this already. I was really happy with when I finished it. It was kind of like the lip treatment that never ended. Actually, it was like a lip serum that never ended, but it's gone. Spoiler for another project pan, I finished this Vasanti Power Oil Lip Gloss in the shade Supermom. I do have a backup of this guy. I did go ahead and take out the stopper. There's just a little tiny bit occasionally that comes out on the tip, but I've scraped enough that I'm just ready to not use it for a long time. I will not be reaching for the backup anytime soon. And then lastly, which was a surprise empty, I think it was like the last day of December, I was trying to use this guy and I was like, there's nothing in here, like absolutely gone. And this is the Smashbox Always Sharp Waterproof Coal Liner. And this is kind of like this is a product that I couldn't like twist up or like push all the way up to see how much is left, because it's like that self-sharpening. So technically you close it and then you open it and like you got a brand new tip. So I didn't know that I was that close. I went to use it and I was like, it's gone. It did like half of my eye and it was absolutely gone. This is it. My December was kind of, it was a rough month for me personally. I'm really happy that I was able to finish as much as I finished. I believe my December empties were about $390. The total empties I had for the year are 3,100 and where is it? I just had it open. Come on, where are you? Oh, there it is. My total empties for the year of 2019 is $3,127.40. I can't believe I used up that much of like makeup, hair care, skincare, like all kind of beauty stuff. Really happy with that. We'll see how much I use up in 2020. If you would be interested in my 2019 all makeup empties, that video should be coming up soon. Keep your eye out for that. And thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment in the description box, not box. I would love to chat with you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.